Love winter family activities. This is the Rose Rain 1000-piece floral and fruit puzzle. This is like the kind of puzzle you buy because you just feel happy looking at the box. Okay, bright, happy colors, floral and fruit without being loud or headache-inducing. Feels like it's meant to be enjoyed, not conquered. Why I go back to this brand all the time, a couple things. I like how the bag is packed. Okay, I like this. I like that you don't have to rip into the bag. And I also really like that on the back, there are letters. So genius for nights when you want progress without raging, okay? The pieces are thick, they are solid, not like dusty cardboard, cheap old sadness. And the artwork on here is busy enough to stay interesting, but not so chaotic you're gonna throw this thing in the trash. But would I buy it again? Yes. This feels like a wine, music, phone down kind of puzzle. I can engage my kids with it. Good family time, low stress evenings. Anyone who wants their brain occupied. So cute. You can make it hard or you can make it chill depending on your mood. Get assistance with the pieces, with the letters, or do it freely. But if you like puzzles that feel relaxing instead of punishing, this one makes sense, okay? I picked this up. I cannot wait to get started on it. Cannot wait. Highly recommend.